Hi guys, Joe here, and I haven't been out much between work, my back, and the rain. It's raining now. I haven't done much, so what I have done was make some 3D stuff that you might like. So you got stuff like this Mora belt clip. I'll show you up close in a minute. But you can make loads of stuff. I just doing like large ferro rod holders. This looks like one of the fishing bobbers I used to use. Or you can just go a little bit nuts and make like this stuff, which is a bit of like a compact bow. But let's look at the table now and I'll show you what I've been up to. Might interest you. Right, so let me just show you a few bits and bobs here. So I made this ferro rod holder. It's big. It's not a small one, but you can make this big and small as you want, so you can adjust it. But that ferro rod there, which is the Forest Fundamentals, I think it's the Beast, that one fits in there perfectly. The holes don't exactly line up, but that's not a big issue. But you know, you have a good handle on a good rod. Also, it's not if you put tape on it, you'll get more purchase on it this way still. That's plenty of room for a ferro rod anyway. So I made this little belt clip here for a neck knife from Mora. I forgot what it's called. But yeah, so that something like that you can make. Or if you want to go smaller, you have some glow-in-the-dark ones. I like glow-in-the-dark stuff if you haven't noticed already. But these are glow-in-the-dark little ferro rod handles. I made a little dog, and I made it 3D as well. My dog is diabetic and blind now, so I started making little stuff to remember it by. All the odd stuff you could do is like QR codes for your channel if you want to do some admin. I made that, which is the Pepper in the Woods logo guy. That was difficult. That I had to make him stand up using ChatGPT. 3D his back side, as in this side. I got it pretty good. One of the eyes is a little wonky, but everything else, the pouches, the little knife, everything, that came out pretty good considering it was just a 2D man sitting down photo. So I am quite proud of that. Onto Bushcraft stuff again. So I know Dave Canterbury has his metal figure 4 sticks, his trap, you want to call it. But they do have one on Thingiverse or that kind of website on figure 4s for Bushcraft. So I thought that would have been a nice little idea. So it's that, you know, and then you hook that other way, like that, and you got your little figure 4. I haven't tested this out yet. I just want to print it and see how it would turn out. Some stuff's hit or miss. This is a big project, and I'm still working on it. I didn't have enough screws, so I need to find another screw for this side. Bolt, I mean. But yeah, it's supposed to, I'll show some pictures how it's supposed to look. But you're supposed to put a whisper biscuit in here to hold the arrow, and then you have your bands, which I'm working on here. It goes around the pulley system and around there, and then they connect here. It's just a little project. And this bit here is supposed to, where you're supposed to put a level. You're supposed to put like a little bubble level in here. That's your sight. But like I said, a little project keep me busy. Haven't been feeling great lately, but this kind of stuff works for me. Yeah, that's about it really. Always working on a channel or something. Also, so don't forget to check the community posts. Anything newsworthy I'll put up on there. Anything for giveaways I'll put on there. Thanks for my supporter. I'll put his name on the screen there for you. If you can, buy me a coffee. I'll put a link in the description box below for you if you want to do that and support the channel. Giveaways in the future would be also buy me a coffee ones, just so you know. But let me think, if you guys tried any Bushcraft stuff, 3D printing, I'm always looking for new files. So thanks guys, I'll catch you next video. Bye.